In this video, I'll show you how to get money back from Cash App if scammed. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, on your mobile device, open the app and log into your credentials. Alright? And once you've done that, we go here at the help section wherein we can dispute a purchase. All right, so if you notice an unexpected transaction on your cash card or have an issue with a transaction you do not recognize, you need to notify the Cash App support, all right? And the quickest way to resolve unrecognized transaction or an issue with a transaction you do not recognize is by contacting the merchant directly, all right? So here are one of the steps. So let's say if you have a transaction you want to dispute, the transaction must be concluded, right? If your card transaction is still pending, the merchant is best positioned to help you resolve the issue with the transaction. So once your transaction settles, you may be able to file a dispute, all right? Now, we need to know what is a pending transaction. Say, for example, when you make a purchase with your cash card, funds are removed from your account before being captured by the merchant. Now, transactions in this stage are unable to be disputed. The pending transactions are typically captured within 10 business days, and any pending transactions may initially be authorized for a different amount than the final payment amount. All right. Now, the question is, how do you file a dispute? So here's step one. All right. Tap the activity tab on your Cash App home screen. All right. Select the transaction in question and tap the three plus buttons in the top right corner of the home screen and select Need Help and Cash App Support. All right. Tap Dispute this transaction. All right. So, can I dispute a recurring subscription? Of course you can. What you need to do is just file a dispute for a recurring subscription, but you will need to confirm with the merchant that the subscription has been canceled. And what happens after you dispute a charge? The Cash App team will investigate your claim and may be able to file a dispute with the card network. The merchant will be given time to review the transaction, and after gathering the facts, the card network will make a final decision and you will be notified of the final decision of the dispute. And how do you check the status of dispute? They will simply notify you of updates throughout the process of your dispute via email. And if you wanted to cancel the dispute, all you're going to do is contact support and they will be more than glad to assist you throughout the whole process. And here are some of their transactions that can be disputed right here. So I suggest you go here and read all the information that is given on this page. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.